Do 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 do. La 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 la. Hello.
Can you meet me in the middle? Love me just a little. Trying to solve the riddle of you. Oh, I'm deep within the feeling. Love just got me dreaming. Medicine I'm needing is you.
What's up, guys? Hi.
So let's get over being so shy, babe.
How's it going? All right, boys.
Make it alright, yeah. So come over and tell me what you want, and we can get it started.
Jammers, he took our house. No. I used my old Twitch channel. Hey, guys. By the way, I just want to say before we get into things, I think I'm going to be changing. How I do my main stream. I think I'm going to be changing how I do my main stream a little bit. Change, Monka. No, not bad change though, good change. I think I'm going to only go live on my main when I have like an idea or a thing to do. I think the alt stream is like when I go live for just like the sake of going live. And also, I've just been so busy with play hosting stuff, and I've got a lot on. So, yeah, on my main, I'm just going to only be going live when I have a crazy idea, I think. But I'm going to put a lot more effort into coming up with some crazy ideas. Because of your Cobblemon VODs, I'm playing Cobblemon again. I have a problem. Dude, I missed the finale. I completely forgot it was yesterday. I know you mentioned it in yesterday's alt stream, and I was like, yeah, let's hop on Cobblemon. Bro, low-key, nah. I don't know. I don't have a good reason to not. I was just like, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Also, play hosting went down yesterday. Are we on IRL Toolkit? Delay match. No, we shouldn't be. We're just on the main. Story games. Will you still play them on the main? Yeah, obviously, because that's like, I have a thing I'm doing. But this is just like, I have like a lot of stuff to catch up with on play hosting. I've got this new, finally, a tool bracket 40 gigabit NIC. So we're going to be installing that today and getting that set up. Also, we're going to be working on making some more advanced metric software as well. Yeah, we're going to be working on making some more advanced metric software. Because I'm realizing I'm not getting my pager alerts from Grafana, and it's causing me some big issues. Yeah, I'm not getting my pager alerts. I'm not being notified properly, is the main thing. So, yeah, if you guys have any schoolwork to get on with, or university work, or, like, admin for your job or shit, feel free to get it done at the same time. For the nerds that want to help me out with my specifically nerdy stuff, you guys are also obviously welcome. I might swap back to wide camera, because I'm going to have to be putting some stuff on my desk. Also, low-key, you have the best shirts ever. Thank you, bro. Low-key, also, I don't know. I find it very hard to hold myself accountable to finish my admin work, but on stream, I find it a lot easier. I find it a lot easier. I'm also a lot more productive this way. Right. That's actually a thing? Yeah, so I don't know if you guys felt the same. I see a couple of you guys do. Yeah, so let me give you the rundown on what happened last night. Okay, so, guys, bruh, almost another massive outage tomorrow. 2 minutes downtime, 58 minutes of maintenance yesterday. It was bad, bro. Get this, man. This one was so annoying because it was just kind of like out of my control 100%. Like, my upstream provider basically just, like, dropped all V6 traffic. I ask, is that why the alt went down, Tubbo? No, that was actually a separate issue. It's okay, Node 3 still has 100%. I actually can't believe that. Also, the database has 100% as well. That's also hosted in here. Cloudflare 2.0. Dude, I don't think it was Cloudflare. So, like, first, it was a really weird outage yesterday. First of all of the Cloudflare tunnels disconnected, because naturally, they used all the zero trust tunnels, like Cloudflare and stuff, all disconnected. Great. That's great. They use IPv6. But then the most annoying thing is the WireGuard tunnel disconnect. I know WireGuard can do IPv4, but we do IPv6 because it helps get around over HVAC. But that was also a fucking pain. So I spent today, I don't know if you guys remember Leo from Brighton Fiber. He's a legend. I don't know if you guys remember him, but I had a phone call with him because get this. He also, bruh, he's like crazy, dude. So he actually also owns this cooperative here called the Brighton Digital Exchange. As like a co-op, like he's a co-op owner. And I was like, what the fuck? So I had no idea that the same guy that does my internet also owns one of the only exchanges in Brighton. That's crazy. But yeah, so I was on the phone with him. I'm like, hey man, my upstream provider dropped all IPv6 traffic because glad they went with BDX for the acronym. What's BDE? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, to be honest. But yeah. So that's what I'm working on now. I'm trying to see if we can set up dark fiber from the exchange to the office and do it like that. Because that would massively improve our networking situation. I think the issue is I just need to learn more about networking, like entirely. But here's how we're going to start today. We're going to go into Hetrix. Yeah, I know. We're also going to be fixing that server that's been broken for a couple days. We're going to go into uptime monitors. We're going to select DB1 and then just move that to maintenance without notifications. There we go. Cool. Hi, Tubbo. 2 days ago, I sent a message about my grandma's neck surgery on your stream. Yesterday, she had surgery and it went perfectly well. She recovered really well. Aw, bro. I'm glad, bro. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, bro. Hell yeah. Good shit. Good shit to your gam, bro. Dude, Node 3's been up for 30 days. Any cool idea for a Raspberry Pi 5? Loki, I got a Raspberry Pi 3 and I can't think of anything to fucking do with it. Everyone's like, you can do anything with Pis. I'm like, bitch, what? Like, what the fuck do I do with this? You know? Like, I get it's a good application for learning, but like, bruh, I don't know. Okay, so now that's down. Let's go into Termius. Sure, restart and update. Let me update Termius. Is it true Brighton is like the West Hollywood or gay capital of England? I'm looking for a place to move. London and Brighton. Brighton is my top choice to move. Low key, dude, Brighton is expensive. I'd argue in certain extents, Brighton is more expensive than London because in London there's a minimum wage buff of like around 20%, but we don't have that in Brighton. So it's like, oh fuck. Everything's just more expensive and there's no like, you know, there's no help basically. So let's just do a sudo shutdown now. Cool. Alrighty. I'm gonna go grab that server and bring it in here now. I'll be right back. Christ, this thing's heavy. Fuck. Fuck. Wow, that's fucking heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Guys, do you want to see my new set of screwdrivers I got? Oh my god, I'm so proud of them. Wait. These are actually a gift from my grandparents for Christmas, but I haven't used them that much yet, and I just... Low-key, honestly, are they magnetic? Dude, they're magnetic, bro. Honestly, guys, I'm not even being funny. I've got quite handy when it comes to, like, I've become quite handy when it comes to, like, tools and building shit. Look at this set of screwdrivers, bruh. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. They're fucking beautiful. Oh, I still got the gel in there. Let me get rid of that. But, like, come on, bro. Come on. I believe I want this one. Thank you. But, like, yeah, like I was saying, I feel like I've become quite... That is actually way too big. I feel like I've become quite handy with my tools and stuff. Like, I set up some wood and stuff the other day for the server rack. Also, it's so nice to finally have some longer screwdrivers as well. Fuck. I might need to use a flathead. That one's fighting me. What the fuck? Okay. I might need my other screwdriver. That one might be too big. Honestly, this orange screwdriver is always my screwdriver of choice. It hasn't let me down, bro. Has not let me down. There we go. How warm does this even get? This does not get that warm. I believe, is there still something rattling in here? No, I did get it out. Okay, good. Right, next up, we're gonna need to take this out. So, get this. I'm finally binning off this 40 gigabit network card. Fuck this. Look at this old piece of garbage, bro. Look at this InfiniBand piece of garbage. And then I've got this absolute beauty. Look, fellas, look at that. So we're gonna install that. Oh wait, I need to push that little foot clamp down, don't I? Hello? There we go. Then clamp up the little foot. There we go. See it say it's sorted. Upgrades! What are we making? This is the new database node for Play.Hosting. And finally, oh my god, finally, not only do I have the 40 gigabit network card with the long bracket, finally I have a new one as well. But also, before we start that up, I'm gonna do a little bit of surgery on this card. So I took the screws for this bracket off of this card from this card. So I'm just gonna revert that real quick. Because honestly, they didn't even fit the screw holes very well. Come back here. Bruh, I hate non-ferrous screws. Why do people do that? Why is that a thing that exists? Oh my god, I lost it. I instantly lost the screw. Are you kidding me? No, I got it. But now I can reattach these to this nick and actually make it usable. Is the music a little bit loud for you guys, or is it okay? You can tell me, I won't be mad. Oh my gosh, thank you for the 1,000 bits, legend. So, like Phobo is my favorite duo, I thought I would give you and Foolish 1,000 bits each. I gave Foolish his bits, but now it's your turn. I wish it was on main, but alt will work. Enjoy. Thank you so much, dude. What the hell? Oh my goodness, it's a little loud. Oh, that is very, very kind. You're a legend. I turned the music down a bit. There we go. Now this nick's actually usable again. Because while the plate was loose, it wasn't usable. Because what I'm thinking is, if I built a router and installed this in, that would be lit, is what I'm thinking. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Before I take this back into the server room and plug it in, we should... Oh, no, I should probably just take it back to the server room. I was going to say we could do a test to see if the nick works while it's on my bench here. But, honestly, bro, there's no fucking point. I'll just... If it doesn't work, I'll just carry it back out here, you know? It should work, though. I must admit, I went against the recommendations of... other server hosters in the space. Yet again, they told me to get a Mellanox Connect X3 card, but I got a solar one. Like, don't get me wrong, there's like virtually no fucking difference between them. But I just thought, I've been having so many issues with the Mellanox drivers and Connect X that I just wanted to try a different card, you know? And I think that's fine. And if it doesn't work, it was like £11. Like, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Very cheap component. Okay, now I've got to lift this back into the other room. What I will say is the bottom of the server got really hot. The bottom of this server was really fucking hot, and I don't know for what reason. Bit bizarre, but okay. You know? Also, guys, if you see me checking my phone a bunch, I'm waiting for a text back from Leo, because dare I say, I was looking into co-location. Dare I say, maybe I've grown and I've learned and I've matured. No. Listen, I'm looking to co-locate a router and then run dual strand dark fiber to my office. It was going to happen at some point. That's what everyone said. Okay, got to be careful with this box now. Be right back. Oh, fuck me. Hard drives are heavy. Yo, I'm back. Wow, Tubbo looks great today. I wasn't in the room, but thank you. Maybe that was the joke. Dude, Stanley set of screwdrivers, bro. Map 3, Tubbo. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait, one sec. I just got a message someone saying. Can we get some music? There's some music playing. One guide again? Sorry. Hey. Sorry. I'm back. This is not going to be like a 24/7 talking stream, I'm afraid, boys. We're used to that. It's co-working. We're co-working right now. How's your progress going on all your shenanigans, chat? Okay, looks like the database has come back up. Let's have a look to see if there is anything we can do now. Okay. Let's do an IPA. Wait. Oh God. I don't know if that is... Besides computer languages and English, do you speak any other language? Only English, bro. English through and through. Let me have a look at an LSPCI. Does anyone see the card I just installed? Yeah, it's 881. Oh, nice. Okay, 10 to 40 gigabit Ethernet adapter. So it is up there. Why is it not listed in IPA? LS, is this it? Wait, oh my God, is this it? That's crazy. How do I check what the interfaces are? Like the name of the interfaces. Tubbo this emote right now. Typing literally though. Okay, so I know it's not this interface or this interface. So it must be this. Holy, okay. If you guys want emotes, just ask the mod to add more emotes to this channel. I'm not logged in on this account. I just got here. What are we working on? We just installed this new nick, but that is such a long physical interface name. I just don't know if that's it. Neither of the mods. Loki, yeah. But that's okay. Oh, bye then. Oh, wait. Loki, I wasn't BMing you guys. I just didn't expect you to be here. Hey, guys. Hi moddies. I didn't mean no disrespect, moddies. I swear down. You know I love you guys. I'm loyal. I'm a loyal hoe, I swear. Bro, we log 24/7, that's fair. I've been typing in chat this whole time. Hi, I'm sorry, Onyx. I'm sorry. I've been very locked into what I'm doing. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's probably, this one here is probably... Why is it 0 and 2 though? Do you know what I'm saying? Should list. Oh, really? Okay. Thank you, Trollin. Let me try that. That is not it. Can I do IP interface? No. Interface? No. Okay. Ugh, Debian. Listen, bro. Let's do nano/etc/network/interfaces. Oh, we're using DHCP right now? Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Let me bring up another node for reference. Let's do play-gb-RY-11. Ah, I really shouldn't show these addresses because they're public facing. So let me just, I'll give you an uptime monitor. And ironically, Debian is named after a straight man's wife. That's fun. Oh God. Okay. Can I open up a second Termius window? Can I open up to? Does it not let you open up a second? Oh. New window. Oh! Okay, then let's go play dash. Wait, open up DB for me. Oh God, where is it? There we go. Nice. Let me leave this. No, I'll do the. Okay, I need to do IPA. All right, so what we have now is that. Oh God. Oh God. So we need to do. Okay. Allow hot plug. No, I want to get rid of that. No allow hot plug. Oh shit. Control Z. Oh shit. How do you wait? Fuck. Fuck, how do you control Z in a nano document? Fuck. Auto, like that? Okay, auto, then the domain, then then the interface. Oh no! Wait, yeah. Auto, then we want if face, name, inet, and then static. Okay, then we want to do tab. Oh, is it 2 tabs or 1 tab? That seems to be 1 tab. 1 tab, then we want to do address, add address, colon, and then we want to do the, oh God, sing. Why are we singing? La. Okay, then the local IP is 134. So we want to do 192.168.1.134/24. Then we want to do gateway. Then that would be 192.168.1.1. Then we want to do DNS-server. Wait, no, what is it? DNS name servers. Okay. Name servers, colon, and then we're going to bam out a 1.1.1.1 and then 8.8.8.8. Okay, now if I can, is that right? So what, one, yeah, that seems correct. Okay, now if I go, yep, nice, okay. Okay, now I need to add a second interface, which I want to do enter, leave a line. I want to do auto, then the name of the interface, which would be that. So that's just control. See that? Control V that. Auto, then if face, iFace even, then the name of the interface, then inet static. Then I want to assign it an IP address from the IP block. Yes, yeah, the MP1 is the solar flare. The MAC address assigned the vendor. Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, static. Then we want to do address. Did I spell address right? ADDRESS. Gateway. Yes. Okay. Then that's when I need to now document. Wait, fuck. How the hell do I? Damn it! I don't have. I need to make a new fucking table in my. Fuck! Guys, I have a system for the play hosting nodes where I have play hosting. I have a document called play hosting node, and I need to make a new table because this is. Oh, I guess I don't. I guess I could do it in the same table. Can I just insert row below? Yep, cool. We're gonna do play-gb-db-1. And then enter to make it the same. No, why has it done that? Okay, and then what's in... Oh, God, what is in this? HTOP. It doesn't... Oh, God, what kind of CPU does this have? Top? I actually have no idea. What is this? LS, BLK? No, those are just my disks, bro. I need... Fuck, what's the command for system information? I don't... Okay. LS CPU. Oh, really? Is it that easy? Huh? There it is. Okay. Cool. Let me just document this down real quick. So this is a... Epic... 7... Fuck, what is that? 7282. And then, how much RAM does this have? Let's just do HTOP. This has 64 gigabytes of RAM. 64 gigabytes. And then this system has, oh god, 92, oh god, that's 4 18 terabyte hard drives. 4 18 terabyte hard drives. So that's 72. 4 times 18 is 72. Really? Am I being stupid? 4 times 18. 72. Okay, and then it has, I'm going to put 72 TB raw. Cool. And then I need to give it an IP. What are we up to? You, my friend. Okay. That is your chosen address. Cool. Actually, I feel like I should make it something I'll remember. I feel like I should do, yeah, I feel like I should do that. Yeah, I feel like I should do that. Guys, is there anything is there anything... Wow, I'm losing my mind looking at this. What do you mean? This is fine. Slash 24. There we go. Okay. Oh god, moment of truth. I'm gonna reload the... Okay, wait, actually, let me just check my UFW settings. UFW status. How do I... Okay, let me... fuck. Because it's a database, I need to... How do I... sudo UFW... disallow? Oh, no, it'll be remove. Remove 22. Nope, fuck. Deny. Deny 22. Your UFW status? No, bro. Action deny. Wait. I just want to remove the port 22 rule. Wait, no, but this is going to lock me out. Wait. Allow 22. Wait. I need to only allow 22. I need to only allow port 22 from a certain interface. I need to only allow port 22 to connect via this interface. Oh, so I could use the telnet IP. No. Fuck. Okay. Wait, actually, if Tailscale is a VPN, that doesn't matter, right? That doesn't matter. Unless I'm being stupid. Sudo UFW allow. I don't know. Rule added. Okay, then I need to, okay. Sudo UFW deny 22. Nice! Okay, that should have worked. That looked like it did work. So now I should be able to do, oh god, please don't lock me out. Oh god, please don't lock me out. Sudo system ctl networking restart. What? Oh, restart networking. Failed? There's a syntax error in the file? What? What's wrong with this? This looks this looks actually ident. Did I spell static wrong? inet static. There we go. Static. Control O, Control X. Now let's try that again. Still failed. Fuck me. Is there a space there? No. Name servers. DNS-name servers. DNS-name servers. Is it name server or servers? I'm a fucking idiot. I put... put colons. Just out of habit. Still failed. It's still fucking failed. Fuck. What have I done wrong? There is... iFace. What the hell have I done wrong? It's down. Why is it down? Right. Right. Gateway. Ping 62.141.62.1 via this. Are you really down or are you being an asshole? Okay. Oh, via .141.62.100. Huh? Huh? What? Static. Fellas. You just casually have your IPs memorized? If so, that's impressive. Nope, I've got a massive spreadsheet on my other monitor over here. Isn't it? Oh, it might be ping minus I. True. You're so right. What the fuck? Why is that dropping all traffic? What the fuck? Okay. Something is clearly wrong with this. It's the IP I chose? Still down. Okay. Chat. What the fuck is wrong with this document? What the fuck have I done wrong here? This looks so accurate. The interface says no carrier, so it would have not have a link. What do you mean? Not have a... Is that on the Switch end of things? The space, bro? There's no weird spacing. Can I send a link without being banned? Yeah, it's the alt. I don't see anything wrong with that. Interfaces, network interfaces. Failed to bring up interface. Why? Why? Because you have two gateways in the config file? No, I have two gateways in other config files. Exact same version of Debian, no problem. Because it's the gateway for that interface. Ugh. So, you sure, Tubbo? Because I can send a link. You can send a link. That's what the forums are saying? SSH into another box to compare the file? I literally just did that. Let me see if the switch is communicating with the database. Because I've not done 40 gigabit networking before. It might be that. Now the switch is reporting that all 4 10 gigabit connections are working. What's this video? Why? Got a super niche problem? Don't worry, someone on Reddit will have that. Yeah. Is it something about the IP that I've picked? Let me swap it, see if we can do something else. Let's try something else. Let's try like 22. Might be that 100's already allocated to something, so the router's freaking out. Oh, no. Failed to bring up the interface. Right, okay. So no, so 100's fine. Fuck! What is the issue here? Maybe it's nano/etc/resolve.conf? No, that's fine. That's what we want it to be. What? Okay. Let's try set our DNS servers to match resolve.conf. Maybe that's an issue we're having. Bro. How much you pay? Also, MTU mismatch? What's MTU mismatch? I'm unaware of that. How much did you pay for the 18 terabyte drives? I paid around £9 per terabyte. So each drive was a little over 150, I think. So this is the exact same issue. Oh. Do I need drivers for this interface? Like, the Switch is reporting that this is connected fine. Fuck. Check under DMESG if you think it's anything to do. What is that? Is that a command? No. What are you trying to get me to check here? If the MTU on your Switch is 5100 but the NIC is 900, then you have issues with your interface connecting. It looks more like a copy. DM. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? I've never seen this in my fucking life. It says missing firmware. At the bottom it says missing firmware. Where? Okay. So that could be it. Right, what do we need to get this firmware up and running? What is 6 under LSPCO? Wait, what are you want? 46:1. Okay. Wait. You say 46. 46. Advanced micro devices choreograph. Well, that doesn't seem to be our network card. Our network card's 81. Yeah, 81.0 and 81.1. So is this the same? This doesn't seem to be the same issue. This doesn't seem to be the same issue. Thank you for the 2 months of Prime. I appreciate you, boss. Okay. Fuck. Did I spell something wrong here? Oh my god, I've just had a fucking vision. What if I'm not plugged into this port? What if I'm plugged into this port? And the naming convention's just backwards? Could that be it? Also, let me just note both of these down. Wait! Wait! But here it says alt name for this is that... Wait, I'm getting... Worth a try, I suppose. Is it the same error? Failed to bring up interface. Okay. Says file exists. The names are the same, just 2 and 0. File exists is such a helpful because it means a lot of things. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. It's failing when it's restarting hot plug. What's the IPA look like now? Bro, literally the same. Got the address. Like this is... Oh, wait, no, it's got 2... Why has it got 2 addresses registered to it now? How do I remove that second address? File exists is about clashing IP. Wait, I need to remove this. A duplicate with MP2. IP, is it clear? What's the command I'm looking for? IPRM. No, IP help. What is it? I want to reset the interface. IPR dev flush, okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of both, and then we're gonna start the fuck over. We're gonna start the fuck over. Huh? We're starting over. We're starting over. Same error. That's great. File exists. Exact same error. What's IPA look like? Did the DM SEG? Wait. Oh fuck. Wait. I don't know what that's not working. Okay, neither port has a link. Have you tried to flush it? What do you mean flush it? Wait, let me just... Wait. CMD real quick. Let me check that I haven't... I'm just... No, there's nothing on this address, bro. It's literally not even resolving. This is not an address that exists. IP adder flush. We literally just did that. Can we ping the router? Is that it? Ping 141.16.1 minus I, and then from this interface. Because if we can, it just means it's a connection to the wider internet. Nah, it's just something is stuck in this box, bruh. Something is fucking stuck in this box, and I have no idea what the fuck it is. What the hell? It can't even ping the next hop. Because the next hop is the switch. Okay, fellas, I need some ideas. Trace route, good idea. Oh wait, do I have to put an IP? I do. Wait. Oh no, it just failed. Oh, it just failed. It just didn't even get there. And ports are enabled on the switch and set to whatever speed optic you have in the NIC. I'm using an AOC. Like, okay, look, when I look at the switch, let me show you what I got. 70. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this, okay. I'm looking at this device here. I've got it plugged into this port here. All 4 lights on the bottom of this port are showing green. However, on the NIC in the box, I've got like no signs of life. Like nothing's blinking. No LEDs are on. It's just orange. But all 4 of these lights here are green. Is there any way I can set the speed? Is there any way I can set the port speed? I don't want to sound mean, but have you made sure it's connected and everything is up and it's connected? Yeah, bro. Don't worry, you don't sound mean. I do stupid shit like that all the time. It says down. This is what we're using. Might be worth going through different things you've already tried as a sanity check. Yeah, maybe I messaged someone. Yo, I have... Oh god, what port number is that? Wait. No. I want the port numbers. 48. What? What? What's the port? It's in a foot. Oh, wait. Let me check. Thank you, go. The 40 gigabit port. Oh, I'll also say, by the way, I am doing an alt stream working on networking stuff. You are welcome to join if you wanna. It might. Is it going to show me? Can you show me? I wish there were better photos for shit like this. What port number is that? It's on port 52. It's on port 52. So it's plugged into port 52. Please don't be a problem with my box. Please. Please. Give it a shot now. Fuck. Maybe check a cable issue or something. That much when it comes to this level of hardware. Just checking something like that. Yeah. Does the link show us up? Yeah, on the Switch it's reporting. On the Switch it's reporting all 4 10 gigabit connections, so all 40 gigabit connected. Do I have to set up a lag? Could that be it? Do I have to set up a lag? Is the Astrista treating this like 4x10 rather than straight 40? They do that. MIBR lost? You're fucking kidding.
Wasn't enough to claim
Yeah,
the
they
day.
can still.
Fnatic now have
It gave me a lot of
time
confidence,
to prepare
though.
for playoffs. They have a little bit of a break, well earned after this series. They'll certainly need it.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, it's
and I
close.
think there's going to be a lot of things they're going to talk about after the match, about maybe things that need to be changed, but we talk about this squad often, about the resilience.
This
that
is
they
so
have.
sad.
And I
Feel like,
think more
bro,
importantly,
it's
the
shown
kayak
that,
after
you know, they can try to hang in there.
This tournament so far, in the last 2, he was the difference maker. I think if he didn't have the performance on this map here, it could have been a very different story. And on the last map as well, a big part.
That's so sad.
He plays into that.
No, they go to lower bracket now.
Is this the best Fnatic have ever looked? Maybe not, but is it a team that's building their way into that championship form? I think so.
Certainly a step in the right direction for this squad. But for MIBR as well, are all signs pointing towards them being a strong contender here.
They came back from 10-4. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy. It's got to be something on my end. Guys, does anyone know if you have to install drivers for this? Fucking card? Wait, where the fuck is it? This here. If the network device... The issue is the Switch... The Switch is not even receiving the MAC address. The Switch is not even receiving the MAC address of the device. Which makes me think... something is wrong with the interface card. Oh! Ah! Okay. So are you hacking into the mainframe? You know, I'm doing my best. It's gotta be a driver issue. Oh my god. Oh my god, is the card Dell locked? Is that possible? Is it possible that the card is locked to a certain environment? Probably worth Googling the model. I did, I have it here. This is the exact model. Oh no. Wait. Patrick from STH? Help. Dell. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god, they're saying Dell a lot. They're saying Dell a lot. Oh god. No fucking way it's Dell locked. No fucking way. Oh, hi Tubbo Burrito. Oh, hi Burrito. What's up, man? What's up, Pog Potato 44, bro? Let me give you poems or something. Guys, I'm about to mod a first time chatter. I just did it. It shows as in SSH, but eBay shows... See, that's what I'm worried about. See, eBay shows this. That part number is not what I have here. But also, this part number here is only 10 gig. Whereas the card I've got is definitely that card. Like, I have that card. So maybe it's the wrong Ethernet controller? That's what I'm thinking. Oh, wait, let me just... That's the chipset on the card, not the model of the card. Wait, you're telling me my card is the wrong fucking chipset? You being serious? That can't be right. That can't be right. Have I fallen victim for a scam? Nah, dude, there's no way. They have so many positive reviews. And they've sold so many of these. No, you'll see a vendor use the same chipset for different models. That's normal. Then what the hell is that? Is that not the chipset? Wait, I saw it. There it is. That's my card. This here is the card I have. Yeah, Debian. Wait, you're joking? Only Debian 8? No. No, this has got to be old. There's no fucking way. It recognizes it as a 1040 gig, so it seems to be the right thing. Thing claimed another... This has got to be old. There's no fucking way. It's 2016 copyright? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Dual 40 gig. Yeah, that is what I've got. I have got this. This is what I own. Why will you not work? Okay, Burrito's in the box. He's gonna update the firmware. See if it's a firmware related issue. What is ISCCSI? Okay. I need to look up whatever the fuck that is. Is a networking protocol that allows data storage to be accessed across standard TCP IP network local device. Ah! Tubbo, someone made SMP Earth 2. That's fun. Hopefully they're nothing like the owner of SMP Earth 1. I love this stream because I'm this level of confused at most things. Yeah. Actually, every single thing to do with computers is crazy. I know. Dude, I really want to know. I really want to learn about dark fiber more. To be totally honest. Oh, let me see if Mr. ISP's text me back. No, he hasn't yet. Actually, is this Broadcom or Mellanox? Huh? I have no idea. Dark fiber is just currently unused fiber. No, dark fiber is where you get to lay your own private fiber network between 2 points. And you don't have to rent and have hops. Dark fiber. It's like Darth Vader's internet connection. Think about it like that. Is this Broadcom or Mellanox, guys? Figured it out? Oh, okay. What's the issue? What? What? Changing the speed setting from 10 to 40 on this port will cause the interfaces on the Switch to flap? What the fuck does that mean? Oh, can't do that. Can you set it up to run at 10G? Oh no, oh no, flap interfaces. What's the issue in the first place? Everything's the issue. In case you were wondering. In case you were wondering. Yeah, just gonna double down and say everything's the issue. Wait, it would flap other interfaces on the Switch? In that specific interface. Otherwise, what weirdo controller would have a side effect like that? Bro. Don't even talk to me. I don't know. I don't even know. Fun fact, at least 2 people from Poland are watching you right now. Epic Poland W. Dude, I keep looking at data packet, bro. Bro. I keep looking at this, bro. I want it so bad. I want it so bad, bro. No way! Oh my god, we're so back! I knew I set it up correctly. I knew I set... Yes. I knew I did my config right. I knew it was a stupid, weird fucking thing. I knew it was going to be a quirk. Pog Potato 44, our savior. Had to use ETH tool to change the port speed on the Linux side? Wait, so is this on 40 gigabit or 10 gigabit right now? 10, right? As in changing the port speed on the switch would cause the entire network to go offline briefly. Oh. Wait. Wait, what? So it's at 10 gigabit, which is fine. Wasn't the OG card 10 gigabit already? No, it was 40 gigabit Connect X, so it had dropped support, so it just didn't work anymore, which is annoying. I love when hardware has its support dropped. But we got this one now, which is a low profile 40 gigabit, which we have to decide what we want to do with it. Fun fact of dual speed nicked optics having to statically set them because there's no way to do auto negotiation. Oh. That's awesome. Okay, should we move on to our other thing we had to get done today? Which is not data packet. I just want it. I want it and I want it to do. I want that. I want this config. First thing took an hour 30. Yeah. Yes, it did. Okay. Next thing I want to do, I want to set up ping and latency monitoring for our IP block on this dashboard. That's the next thing I want to do. Latency view graphs. Yes, yes, this is what I want. I want this. I also need to message Josh and let him know. New database is finally up and working. There we go. Find a pre-made dashboard and import it. Give it. How does this work? Latency, write and read. No. That's not what I want. I don't want disk latency. I want network latency. Yes, this is what I want. But I want this for every IP address in the block. Not on the switch? What do you mean not on the switch? Oh, client side, then I go. So how does this work? How do I set this up as a job? Tracking network with Telegraph, InfluxDB, and Grafana. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. How does this work? The switch ASIC would eat up 50% more power because it's pipeline based. Okay. How does this work? Docker Compose setup? Can I see the composer? No. Because what I could do is, wait, let me go play, change that URL. What do I need to go to? It's 94443. Here we go. And then, oh. Let me just Portainer. There we go. So I could set that up running on this VPS here. And then I can use the VPS to basically ping our network to test the latency. What's this look like? Okay. What's influx DB? Grafana we've already got. Okay. Is there a better way to do this, chat, than this? URLs target 1 tl.trd target 2. Oh wait. InfluxDB is a time series database. But I want to... Is there no utility to just ping over to check? Collector type Telegraph. I've not heard of Telegraph. Oh my god. This is not what I want. This Grafana latency monitor? Kinda. Yeah, actually. And I can, yeah, and I can just add the IPs in. COVID-19 boredom is killing me. Wait, this might actually be what I want. Give me a sec. Oh, Hetrix Exporter. Here's a thing I made. Oh, this pulls from Hetrix? Oh. Could we pull latency from Hetrix? Because I'm already paying for that. So that would be nice. If we can pull from our uptime monitors here. But they only update every 60 seconds. They only update every 60 seconds though. So that might miss like quick ping fluctuations. You know? Where do I see the ping check? Dashboard, uptime monitors? Wait. I don't see the ping for any of this. If I go DB2, I literally do not see any information about the ping. Network in and out. Bro, there's no information about the ping here. Click on them individually. I did. You can set locations When you are making them? Really? Oh. Hey, Burrito, what's up, man?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm trying to set up ping monitoring on the Grafana dashboard right now.
Oh, lovely. The echo is killing me. I was gonna say you probably use the Heatrix tools and get away with that, but you probably want it below 60 seconds, I take it.
Yeah, I feel like I'd kind of want like a 5-second scrape interval rather than a 60-second scrape interval.
I guess what we could do is, let me pull this up. Prometheus.
You could use your OVH VPS for it. That's what I'm saying. What's this? Network exporter.
I've used this in a bunch of places, but it's actually kind of useful. You basically say...
Have you seen this, though? I kind of want something which operates off the network, so we can kind of test if the router's the issue, though.
Maybe? Here's something also. So do you have Grafana Cloud perchance?
I do not. I have Grafana, which is running on the VPS.
They have a synthetic monitoring thing. Let me see. I can probably give you a screenshot.
Like, have you seen what I've just linked, though? Is that possible? Is this...
Yes.
Because it seems to be like this is the Docker Compose file. Oh, what's that?
Grafana synthetic monitoring. It basically uses their probes, and you can see that, hey, this country has high latency to your destination, and it'll even give you an MTR if you configure it to be that way.
What's an MTR, sorry?
My trace route.
I see. Does Grafana run locally or on OVH? It runs on OVH.
It's a bunch of places, but you can link it to your local Grafana instance. That's what I do at other job.
Okay, okay. I see. Cool. Cool. And what's the scrape interval?
I think it's 60 seconds, but you can make it lower. It just, you eat through more credits, essentially.
Is there anything we can set up that doesn't rely on cloud infrastructure? Or not particularly?
I mean, yeah, you could just use this exporter and it gives you like the ping time, round trip, everything that you probably want. This is also a good option.
Is this network exporter? Or
This is not. Yeah, this one is, yes.
that one you've just sent to network exporter? I see. Is this a container that I can deploy on Portainer?
Yeah, Portainer would be fine.
Because I've already got all that set up, to be honest.
So, yeah, Portainer would be fine. You want to get that done now?
Yeah. And then I want to add it into my overview dashboard here.
Okie dokie, we can do that.
We can also use Tailscale DNS, right? Or would that add additional latency, putting it through Tailscale?
I would just point, if you're using Prometheus, just point it to the container name, because if it's on the same container network, it can resolve that way.
Okay, so what am I installing? What exactly do I have to do right now?
Let me look at this. Let me find the... Okay, here we go. I don't want to configure, I think. I'm gonna DM you something.
Okay. I don't think you can get access to it without being on the VPN.
Oh no.
I know, everything's locked behind the VPN, bro.
I guess we could just use the Docker container and it'll work.
Well, if you send me
Out of
the compose file, I can put it in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me do that.
So I'm
for
locked
you.
in.
Were
If
you
I
able
go to, it needs to be a
access-
stack, right? On Portainer, create new stack, and then if I go, yeah, and then I've got a Docker compose file here.
Okay. Let me see here. Oh, where's my Prometheus exporter? Are you able to pass a config directory?
What do you mean a config directory?
It's gonna want a very small config for a few options.
I'm not sure.
Part of the standard Docker compose. Actually, let me lab this out quickly for you.
Can you see my screen right now?
I can.
This is what I've got.
AMD 64.
And like I've got containers here. You can see Portainer's the only one running right now.
Alex AMD 64.
There's volumes. And images. I don't know. A lot of this stuff starts to go over my head.
Okay, cool. I have this ready. So do you have a list of targets you wish to ping?
Basically the whole IP block.
We can do that. Where's my doc?
But most of the IP blocks are inactive though, so what do we do for that?
Well, isn't ICMP disabled for a bunch of them?
For almost all of them, yeah.
Then this won't work.
What?
Yeah.
So how do we check then?
I would do TCP checks, assuming stuff is exposed per node and whatnot.
You need ICMP if you want pings to work. Oh my god. Can you just allow ICMP on the OVH box IP? No.
It's more complicated than that, unfortunately.
Well, all we want to do is monitor Minecraft latency. Could we maybe ping out of our network? Like set something up within our network to check? Like set up like a Raspberry Pi and then ping name servers to see if the ping fluctuates?
Potentially. So generally what we can do here is we can have a config file. So it looks something like this. And it'll essentially, it looks something like this. You basically set aside targets, how often you want to ping it, and it'll expose those as metrics in a bucket style.
Okay.
Of course, you can change whatever you'd like there, but that's generally gist of it.
Can we can put any IPs there, can we?
We can.
Okay. In that case, let's do that. Or will our IPs not work without the thing you said we needed, ICMP?
I mean, would you like me to ask him?
He already said he wasn't going to when I asked a while back, so that's fine.
Oh.
Why not use this? I'd just add the IPs to the config and use Prometheus. Oh, does Prometheus do that? Black box exporter.
Black box exporter. Yeah, this is also an option.
Okay, so we can do that without ICMP?
Sort of. Black box exporter is kind of if you want to do a very generic ping, but it. Let me look. It does do TCP if I recall correctly.
It
Yeah, I
uses
guess you could just
ICMP still. All pings do.
Yeah.
Why don't, rather than pinging the boxes, why don't we ping from the boxes to the VPS?
That's a good idea, actually.
Do it that way.
I like. Well,
Okay.
wherever I do stuff, I like to do both sides of it, so I like to see both internal routing and external routing, it's a very helpful when you are diagnosing weird networking issues.
I see. This seems like this could be good. Response time per location. Yeah, we'll just do it in reverse.
For a few trolling, for a few hops, it's symmetric. For everything else, it isn't. Just because of the way we're tunneling out for everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's a whole nother bucket.
Oh, by the way,
that's
I got some
day.
quotes for colo pricing, if you're interested.
Ooh.
I got £1,000 per month per 42 URAC. Obviously blows the budget. But then there's an internet
That's
exchange.
That's really good for UK, by the way.
No, it's not. And not when you take into account that that's before power and connectivity.
Oh, crap! Yeah.
So that is just the space, and then there's another potential site which they're there for at least 8 more months, but potentially longer, which would be maybe potentially down to half the cost. So that'd be
Not
500 per month per 42 URAC. But what I'm thinking is, if we can colo a router there, and then ask them to lay dark fiber to the office, and then ask them to lay 2 40 gigabit connections to that router, what do you think?
Well, it depends who's the upstream in question. Because if it's somebody like NeoProtect, you could probably take a 10 gig link from them.
I don't think it's
and get away
NeoProtect. I doubt it would be NeoProtect.
NeoProtect basically anybody, but realistically, if you're getting somebody to scrub DDoS for you, it's probably end of the day. You're gonna not need a huge link unless.
No, they wouldn't be able to scrub DDoS. That would still have to be for OVH.
That sucks.
Cambam, thank you for the raid. Yeah, they wouldn't do DDoS. That would all still have to be private.
I'm sure we'll figure something out. I feel like it's really easily solvable if just when we get into deeper discussions with them, because I'm sure they'll be able to do something with dark fiber, and we'll do 40 gig links.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's get Blackbox exporter up and running.
Okay. Well, Prometheus is already running, so what do I need to do to do that?
Let me see.
Like, how do I pull that data? Do you need me to go to Prometheus? I got it here.
Are
Everything's...
you able to drop a config on the box itself?
What do you mean?
just like a .conf file.
For Prometheus.
Or for black box exporter, sorry.
Well, right now the boxes only have Node Exporter running. Is this something that I'm going to have to put onto every single target?
Potentially. There might be a script for Node Exporter that you might be able to use. Let me see.
Is it, do I need to add a second job? Is that what it is?
Yeah, essentially we're just adding a second job here, and it's basically querying a different port.
I see, I see.
But realistically, you could just do one box, and that's far more visibility than everything.
I feel like we should do everything though, just so we have good metrics. Yeah, I can probably do every box.
It's the same layer 2 segment everywhere. I mean, you're not going to see much of a difference.
Yeah, but like, let's say if one box's NIC is like overheating and causing latency spikes, you can then see that. That's what I'm thinking.
I mean, I suppose, but at the...
Could just use a Termius snippet as well.
Yeah, I'm on board with that.
What do I need to make in the snippet?
Let's see. Well, you want to probably set this up as a service now.
What do you mean? Yeah. This is what I currently... Let me send you what I currently have for my Node Exporter snippet. This is what I currently have for my Node Exporter snippet there.
Oh, you can just apt install this, by the way.
What do you mean?
Just apt. The application package manager.
Yeah, but then I have to run that on every single box rather than all of them at once.
Yeah. Right, so... I'm going to do that on my own thing quickly, just to debug this. So I don't want to push... you don't want to push things to prod.
True. New snippet, I'll call this install, and then what's it? Black box. How intensive is this on...
Barely.
Barely? Okay. Cool. Oh, I can add a package. What's the name of the package?
Should...
Oh, I'll just do it through commands. That's just so complicated. So the first command I need to run is apt install that, right?
Yes.
Meh, prod is best test bed. No, I don't think so. We've had a lot of downtime recently. We need to not do that. Is black box one word or 2 words? It's just one, right?
Yes. Configuration.
I don't even know they have apt install.
Oh, this is wildly easy to actually run.
Oh, if we're making a new service, we should make a new user for that service as well.
It'll install, I think it installs under its own user already.
Does it? Because I had to do that manually for Node Exporter, doing like add user, -m, Node Exporter, sudo group add, Node Exporter.
Sounds like a pain.
For incoming to your network, you could always just use tailscale pings if other networks don't work.
Go to this.
Okay, what have you shown me here?
This is just basically what it's going to show.
Okay, and it just does that, what, every 2 seconds?
Yeah.
I see. Actually using different users for each app? I know, because then if we ever want to get rid of an app, just delete the user.
Not necessarily have to remove the binary.
Ah, whatever. So this will then register as a new job in Prometheus as well, right?
Yes, you'd have to obviously configure it, but you can set the target and everything. So I would do something like DNS. There's a lot of ways you can actually do this, but what I would probably do is, let's actually see here.
Okay, what's it? Nano/opt/Prometheus Prometheus.yml. There we go. Okay, I got it up. Job name, node exporter, scrape configs. Okay, cool. I can do that. And the port is 9115.
Yes.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to... Oh, God.
You're probably going to want to open this in a text editor. I'm going to be completely honest, because there's a lot of things you need to do for this.
Hey, don't worry, bestie. I'm working on it. This source config's down here. That's not part of anything, is it? I can just add some space there. Wait, ls? No. No, that's part of this job, isn't it? Wait. Oh, fuck. Wait. Hey, Turtle. What's up, bro? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab all that. Copy that. Then we're going to go Notepad++. Oh, my God. Okay, give me something new. I've got so many Notepad++. And then we're going to paste that. Nice. Job name. We're going to call this black box. Black box. And then we want to change all of these to be... Is it going to change the ping if I do it over Tailscale? I'm worried it's gonna. Is that crazy?
No. You're going to hate this, but this is realistically the only way to do it across multiple hosts.
What is that? What have you just given that? What? I'm just... What? What? What is that? What have you just sent?
You're basically... well, actually, let me send you a different example.
I'm just setting up Prometheus now.
Well, no, so this is how you're probing everything.
Oh, that's probing, not actually the time series display. Tailscale adds like 1-2 ms for me. Oh, that's so fine. Because we're looking at like spikes of like 100 ms. I thought you were pinging 1.1.1.8.8.8.8/OVS IP /OVH IP.
Those are good IPs to ping.
Yeah, we probably will do that then. Yeah. Okay, wait, and what? Okay, it is 9115 for the port. Okay, 9. No, we should keep all of this metric stuff behind VPN, actually, so it's not publicly accessible.
Well, yeah.
I just realized that. You know what? Let's just... Wait, is it Control R? How do I replace? What's the command to replace?
Control F.
Control F. Find... Where's replace? I can't find... Oh, replace. Replace. Lit! Oh, actually, we probably don't need this on the database, do we? Oh, actually, yeah, we do. We should put this on everything.
Would you want to grab
Node
Tunnel?
exporter is
as
public
well?
on some nodes, according to Tubputer's YouTube vid. Oh no, well that's bad. Oh yeah, no, it's public on 3. It will be public on 3 and on database 1. That'll be about it.
Yeah, we can just firewall it off.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you looking at what I've got here?
Yes.
And then app, let's name this as black box. Okay, so that's fine there. We're going to... Okay, is that good? This config looks good. Okay. Now I'm just going to go to the bottom of this file and do a tab, enter, And then
Well, actually, no, that won't work the way you think it is. It does a lot of label replacements for like host name and everything.
what do you mean?
Well, you see the config I sent you. You see where it says relabel configs, right? It basically makes it human readable. But the problem is that you have to. Let me see if the example I sent you. Where it basically says the address, you have to create multiple jobs for them.
Wait, what? What?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, no, but this is on Prometheus, not on the box itself. This is on the
I'm talking about
VPS.
Prometheus. Yeah, this is on Prometheus.
Oh, so I need to add targets and then exporter 1. Wait, I don't understand what you're showing me here.
Essentially what you're doing is you're creating an individual job per node.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I know that. And they're going to output to this port here. And then that's what this is going to listen to.
Right, but the target you're setting there is like 9115. That's where the replacement label is.
What do you mean the replacement label? Oh,
So,
so I need to, like what I have on the bottom of the node exporter one where I've got replacement labels here.
Yeah, so something like this.
Something like what?
See what I sent you.
I see what you sent me, but this doesn't make sense.
This is how you properly do it, because it. Oh, post.
So you sent me this replacement config, yeah. Well, that replacement config looks identical to what I've got here.
It's similar, but you're not. But actually, sort of. But you're setting targets on top of that.
Why do I have to set targets?
Because you're not just querying like Node Explorer. You have to ask, hey, what metrics do I want out of this black box exporter?
I see.
Because it's not like it's not setting the config file what you're asking latency for.
Can it not just send everything?
If you want to, but then you have to manually define the config everywhere.
Well, I mean, I already do that when I set up this, and if I go to edit here, I set what I'm querying here. Unless I'm really confused on what's going on.
I'm talking about on the actual node side of things. There's a config file for black box exporter.
Yes.
It looks something. Actually, if you go to cat etsy black box.
But this isn't the config file on the target node, though.
No, this is where you're querying the target node. But the way things would work is that you have to have a job for each node.
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. The target node just installs box exporter, and then you have Prometheus to ask. Yeah, Vortex, you're right on the ball.
The target node just installs black box exporter. Okay, and then in this, we then query black box exporter for the information we want under relabel configs.
Yes.
Okay, so what do I need to put in there then?
Also, I slightly despise you for not using VS Code, but that's a later discussion.
What do you mean VS Code? This is Nano.
No, you were using Notepad++.
Oh, well, that's because VS Code takes forever to boot.
It loads in like 2 seconds for me. Get a
Okay,
faster
whatever.
CPU.
My CPU is a 7950X. But Loki, it's already doing quite a lot with this whole silly live stream I do.
This is true. Let me. So here's an example for one job you can do. Let me add some labels for you. If I can find. Where is it? Labels, app. Black. Here's a fully working example. You just have to replicate this across every single node.
Every single node. Wait.
Yes, the replacement on the bottom doesn't allow you to specify a list.
I don't think that's gonna work though. Does that mean we have to make a different job for every node?
Correct. This is why I suggested doing just one.
Wait, but that feels so stupid.
Welcome to Prometheus.
But
has
it
its
worked so
limitations.
well with this up here.
It's because you're not sending parameters in the request. In this example, you are.
I see. So we're gonna need to do something a bit different. So what do I set my targets to then?
It would be all the nodes essentially.
I've done that there. What do you mean?
The target is essentially 8.8.8.8 or whatever you want to actually ping.
Okay, well we want to ping the VPS, don't we?
Yes, that's one way, but you also want to ping DNS. I would ping like a few ISPs as well.
Okay.
That'll just result in 0 milliseconds.
What, this?
Yeah, 100.100.100 is the Tailscale DNS resolver.
Yeah, which runs not on the box.
It runs locally.
Does it? Oh.
NeoVim is great, yes.
Okay, so then this job name would be Blackbox, like 2 then for the second node.
Yours. Oh.
You're so close. Why would you message me that?
This is what it would properly look like. So you're specifying, here's my targets. You can paste that in there. There you go. You're basically specifying, here's my targets. Here's what I'm actually hitting as the instance, and then here's my job. And then you're specifying what module you want to use in Blackbox, which is ICMP.
What the fuck? Okay.
Yeah, Vortex is actually. I would agree with Vortex. You should just put it on a few, not like 100 on every single one.
I feel like we should put it on a few though, because then how are we gonna know if a nick dies then? Like.
Node Exporter will tell you.
But then what if some people are having ping issues and some people aren't? Then I feel like we don't get accurate data.
Well, because with Node Exporter, it'll actually export nick errors and everything.
This has 2 colons. There we go.
There's actually a few add-ons you can do for Node Exporter.
You can just install it on multiple, just not every single node. But I'd rather have it on every single node than an inconsistent mount. I'd put it on all.
You're gonna run into an issue where there's too much data and you can't read through it.
What do you mean too much data and I can't read through it?
I'll give you a screenshot you can share. Where's my ripe atlas? This is what happens when you're doing what you want to do.
What's wrong with that?
You can't read it.
Yes, you can. Just
No.
click the one you want to read.
Not when you're doing triaging in an outage.
What do you mean? But we don't have that many nodes.
It's gonna add up when you're pinging 8.8.8.8 from like 10 of them, 10 or 15 of them.
But you can clearly see the
Yeah,
spikes.
what he's
still.
trying to do is see spikes.
But also what we can do is in Grafana, we can add a like 95th percentile and an average across all of them to get one graph. And then we can also add filtering by node in the dashboard as well. Like we can do that.
It's not a
Min-max.
terrible idea. It's just harder to implement when you want to actually fire alerts for it.
Well, we'd fire alerts for every individual node, but then just for an overview, we can use the averages.
Sure.
I feel like there's nothing wrong with having more data, you know? I'd much rather have more data and be more judicious than less. Because it's like free, you know?
Right.
So now I just need to copy this for every single destination. Basically.
Uh-oh.
Is this basically it? Is this all I have to do?
Correct.
For
Let me
every
change it to,
single
like,
one?
I would just set the app to black box and then you would specify like node specifically.
Okay. So I just keep the job name as black box.
I'm gonna
Or-
be really frank with you. Just plug this into ChatGPT. It'll be so much helpful.
No, we're against that here. We're against that.
Efficiency is key.
Oh, this sucks. See, this isn't taking that much time.
Yeah, Ansible is the right option here. But yeah, we'll get there. I've written so many Ansible playbooks. It's not even funny.
We'll get there slowly. Okay, done. So then do I just paste this into the document now?
Yeah, you would. I would restart it, but I would also make sure it actually validates the config because indentation might be wrong.
It will remember the indentation.
Command or Control K helps you with that, by the way. It'll just remove entire lines.
No, it didn't do that.
I should just use Vim, yeah.
Huh?
Vim, if you press D twice, it'll delete the line. Oh no, white spaces.
What happened?
The red or white spaces. It's because Windows encoding.
How do I fix it?
DOS to unit or DOS to Unix, just throw it against the config file.
What, sorry?
You probably need to install that though. It'll get rid of the Windows stuff.
But is that gonna realign everything?
No. It just changes what encoding is used.
How do I undo the paste?
I don't think you can.
No, it's MU. No, well that didn't work.
I think it's all. Oh, it's all on you.
Alt U. There we go. So how do I fix this? Is there a way I can paste this into a website to delete the space?
I would just throw a Unix command against it.
What's that?
It's basically DOS to, it's called DOS to Unix. It basically takes whatever the stuff Windows spits out and it removes it and it makes it Linux compatible.
Where? Is there no
you have to do
website for it?
Maybe, but I think if you copy it, it's still going to be Windows.
Dude, why is everything just 10 times harder on Linux? Why?
It's easier.
No, it's not, bro. So I've got this big file here. How do I convert this then? What exactly do I need to do?
You should be able to reload it just fine in the current state, though it's probably going to be an eyesore later.
Okay. So I just, paste this in here now?
Yep.
Like that? I feel like this is not going to work.
We'll find out.
Because it's not going to line up, is it? Oh.
How did that happen?
Yeah, see, it doesn't...
You're using Termius, right? You can just open that and copy it over SFTP.
Well, I don't understand why it's like this.
It could be the indentation that copied over. But Yeah, it's mixed tabs and spaces.
Also, the tabs are way shorter. Wait, something isn't right here. Yeah, this is gonna take forever. There's gotta be a way to do this quicker.
Yeah, just use search and replace. That's probably your best way of doing it.
Okay. Well, now I need to undo all this. It doesn't let me undo it. What the fuck? What am I replacing with what?
Can you hit the SFTP tab on the session in Termius? Connect to host, and whatever your VPS host is, you're just essentially going to copy the file over and then re-upload it. That way you won't run into indentation issues.
Okay.
And I assume it's Etsy Prometheus. You have to go / and then opt.
I'm in oh. No such file?
You're in /root. There we go. Prometheus.yml. There you go. Now you're just
Okay.
editing the file on the server, and when you hit save, it'll re-upload it.
So now I'm just putting this on there.
Yep. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Did that work?
Then hit upload on the bottom in Termius. There you go.
It didn't work. Will it just work with the spacing being wrong?
Yes, it's just an eyesore.
What?
Or it should.
Well, now it's dead.
See what journal CTL says. I bet you it's just indenting.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Artist.
Startus.
Mm. There you go. Then just hit the right arrow. Did it just stop working? Oh, hit space a bunch of times. There we go. Invalid argument. Line 72 cannot start with any token. Go to your config file, look at what line 72 is.
Line 72.
Can you open that in your text editor? Yes, YAML is indentation sensitive.
It's these. Oh, does it need quote marks? Does it need that?
I haven't had used quote marks.
Oh, is it because this one has quote marks?
Potentially.
Oh, that's so long.
Just find and replace the play GB VPS and remove it, replace it without quotes. There you go. Then you're gonna have to system CTL reset failed. Then you have to reset the failed service.
What do you mean?
System CTL reset hyphen failed. Actually, no, that will work.
I just restarted it. I've never done that before.
If a service goes into a fail state after I think 10 restarts, it won't start back up normally.
You can manually restart it though.
True. See what journal CTL says this time.
I guarantee you it's going to be the formatting.
Yes.
It's all line 72.
Found a tab character.
Yeah, it's the tabs.
How is that indented compared to the other things on top?
Are you mixing indentation? I've always just
That's what I
used
think.
tab. I've literally always just used tab.
Yeah, that is true.
So in that case, I should just replace /t or find, wait. 0. Or can I just press tab? No, it doesn't let me fill this field with a tab. It says 0 count. Oh, the other slash. Okay. And replace that with 2 spaces. Well, that's now fucked up everything. Undo. Fuck.
I dropped the file in the VS Code. Lower the tab size. Yeah, you should probably use VS Code to do this.
I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. Now it's all just spaces.
Yay.
It failed again. Fuck this shit. Tab character found? How?
Line 72.
Is it this at the end here? Because all of this is the correct formatting now. Those are the logs from the last one. Check. No, it's not, bro. Well, how do I detect what that... Oh, wait. I know. Oh, come on. Still didn't fucking
No.
work, bro.
Run journal CTL, just press space until it hits the end.
What, that command you sent me earlier?
Yeah. Change it to like 10. Let's see. Error loading config. Unmarshal error, YAML 96.
Targets?
Not found fuel struct. What version of Prometheus exporter that should be supported? Relabel configs. That's interesting.
What is wrong with the config, bro? What is wrong with this file?
Is it indented? I think relabel configs is way too
Oh my god, it's
indented.
indented incorrectly, yeah.
Oh.
Wait, that's still not right. That's correct.
I don't think you can do. Actually, that looks right. How does labels? What does labels look like? Because you might have to de-indent that as well.
No, it's the wait. Invalid argument, it says.
Multiple script configs.
Yeah, you can't have multiple jobs name the same thing.
Yeah, you have to give it all separate names.
You dog! You said to name it all black box.
I said name the app name black box.
Oh my goodness.
We're all just Muppets.
Oh my goodness. All of this for stupid tracking. Oh! Finally. Okay. Now what? Found too many pools, only showing one. There are more than 20 scrape pools, showing the first one. What?
Well, that's because you haven't installed anything anywhere.
Oh yeah, I see them all here. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, everything, yeah, everything's down, as it should be. Oh, and we're back. Yay. Okay, now we need to actually install the thing. Okay. What do I need to put in this snippet to make this work now? Is that it?
Yes. Actually, you might have to add -y at the end of it.
That's it? It's just that command?
As long as you're root, yes.
I see. Oh god, I do not have everything saved here. Wait a minute, maybe I do have everything saved. Is that correct? No, this isn't gonna work. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I've set it to all these targets. Can I just run that then?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. Oh, 18's not gonna work. Okay, I think that worked. Where can I see that data now? Is it being exported already?
Likely is you'd have to, let me grab a dashboard that you can import for it.
Oh wait, I did 11 many times. Okay, wait. 20, 15, 17, 19. Oh, 20 again. Oh, I actually really didn't do that many. 11, 12. Okay. Okay, well that didn't do it on very many. 1, 2, 3. I was only 6. Can I add more terminals? Okay, I probably need to add new hosts. Yeah, okay. What is this? What have you sent here?
There's the dashboard you want.
Okay, and then I just install that on here.
You just import it, yeah. Hit dashboards at the top. Top left. There you go. Then new and import.
Oh. Okay. Well, everything failed. Oh yeah, none of these boxes can ping 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. This was never gonna work. Why have we just done it like this?
I thought you could ping outbound. No?
No. Why?
Well, I have an idea. It might be interesting. Sudo IP route add.
Wow, 100% packet loss on everything.
No wonder.
We've done it, man. We've done it.
I think it's due to our DDoS XDP.
We've done it, bro.
Does it reach the VPS fine though?
Only 3 of 6 do.
Kind of those things. That's not bad.
The VPS should work because it's over tail scale. Yeah, we just need to ping stuff over tail scale. But I still get 100% packet loss on 3 nodes. Pinging over tail scale.
Let's see if I can make the next hop work.
I think it's cooked, bro.
You'll see in a second.
Also, this is such a bad way to display the data as well.
You can choose different graphs, I mean.
Yeah, I need to set up and make your own dashboard.
Refresh the data.
Oh, set it to auto. Yeah.
Well, let's see, I leaked a route to 8.8.8.8.
Let me see. Nope, nothing. I don't think it's gonna work,
Oh.
bro. It's like an OVH file setting. Oh, does all outgoing go through OVH now, not local IP? Nothing's on local IP. I'm actually so sick of this shit. Fuck's sake.
Monitoring is really hard to do. I mean, really, really hard to do.
Yeah. I'm starting to get that.
I do like you learning, though. It's actually a good thing, because you can turn to like PewDiePie and just run Arch Linux.
Yeah, maybe one day. Tubbo is on the Minecraft TikTok, am I? Oh yeah. Classic Minecraft.
Okay, 8.8.
Why, by the way, why are only 3 of them able to ping the VPS?
Everything, if they're all on tail scale, they should.
They are.
I would. Odd.
Try from SSH, yeah, but it doesn't tell me which nodes these are, annoyingly. Okay. Is this adventure kind of cooked? Be honest.
Um, Partially. I think we overcomplicated it. I'm gonna be honest. Having visibility into everything is way too much for what complexity is actually worth it, if that makes sense.
I see.
I can build out a better stack for you probably this weekend if you're down for it.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. Because this is just crazy.
I'll just do everything using Ansible. I already have playbooks written for everything.
Okay. Okay. Maybe just set up a direct node on the network for that. No, that wouldn't
It's
work.
like a VM or it's like a virtual machine or something.
But that's not going to work though, because we want to test our route. We want to test our router and our ISP.
The route's gonna be the same. The route's gonna be the same thing.
What do you mean?
I mean that doesn't go through OVH or anything. We just put that on the router, I guess.
It'd be through the
Actually,
ISP, just not OVH. Well, we need it to do that. Didn't you get a /24 ages ago? Why not put that via a proper DDoS provider? It is. What do you mean? We're not announcing the IPs in the office.
well, I can provide insight to this. So the way it works is we have a WireGuard tunnel from an OVH node that we run some XDP, which is like DDoS mitigation filtering on top of whatever OVH already offers, and then we just tunnel that back and we do some IP routing rules. Yeah, we do some IP routing rules to make sure it's symmetric.
Yay! All that jazz. Oh, I feel like I've accomplished nothing. I feel like all of this and I've accomplished nothing.
I have a few options, Polly.
Yay, why are you saying yay? Yay, we feel like we've accomplished nothing. Yay, are you kidding me? You got your database server running at 10 gig instead of 40. Yep, okay. Okay, that's all we did. Unsuccessful day. Oh. Shouldn't it be at 40?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the problem is that the switch will it'll flap all the ports if we change it immediately.
And we can't do that.
Actually,
Oh,
no, why
man.
half of them aren't doing ICMP. There's rules that basically restrict ICMP, but I can change that later.
Some long days, work, have small results. That's okay. If it helps,
Yep.
I had an unsuccessful day. Yeah, that does help a little bit. But we didn't even get any monitoring or alerts set up. God damn it. God damn it. That was the one thing I wanted to get done today. If it helps, I got extra workload today, so I actually got nothing done in the grand scheme. Oh. Joyous. Maybe it's time to fix that node that's been down for 4 days. Maybe it is. Dude, maybe it freaking is. How about rather than doing ICMP, do it through HTTP queries? Yeah, I don't think the box will ping google.com if I sign into it. Let me see. Like, the DDoS prot takes out a lot of junk. Let me see. Which one do I... Yeah, give me that. That one. Thank you. But it can curl. It can!
It's not a realistic measure. Well, see if it can ping Google, actually.
You can't. Wait, oh, you can?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Does this is this one of the boxes that has the stupid thing set up? Yeah, it is. Never mind. This one's got the thing we need enabled. Oh, and that's why it's returning on here. Oh.
I can just throw ICMP on everything if you want me to.
I don't know if that's a good idea. There's a reason we have it off. What's with this weird IO wait? What's happening here? What's happening with these? Why are you waiting? What are you waiting on IO operations for? What the fuck? Why are we waiting around? What are we waiting around for? Okay. Yeah, that's really fucking annoying. There's no reason you can't reliably use curls HTTP requests. Yeah, probably. I just don't know how to do that. That's just beyond my knowledge. That's just far beyond my knowledge. Also, for some reason, Tailscale SSH isn't running on all these boxes. I've got 1, 2, 3. That one's off. So, all of the... That one's off. Okay. Oh, wait, and all of these are off. Okay. Blackbox supports HTTP, so it's not in vain. Mad, not updating Tailscale. I will. I'll do it. Oh my god. I've skipped 2 versions. What, probe? Oh, HTTP. Burrito, would that work?
It would. What I wonder is if you're doing with TLS, that's going to add microseconds of latency, but it's noticeable over time.
Is microsecond smaller than a millisecond or bigger?
It's not a huge difference. I'm just thinking
Don't need
ICMP,
TLS,
it's more...
just do HTTP.
I guess you could do HTTP, yeah, that would be fine.
HTTP 1.1.1.1, HTTP 9.9.9.9. It says not
Maybe
found.
redirect, but yeah. Well, yeah.
Oh, well, that works.
It redirects you.
Okay, so it's not cooked. I just need to change. We just need to change this.
Yep.
Okay, back to Termius. Okay. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm getting vexed at it. I'm getting vexed at it. Hello? Okay, so then I just need... All I need to do, right, is change the module. Yeah?
Right. Yes.
And then the targets.
Yes.
And if I want to ping OVH, I can change the target to be the VPS and then do colon 3000. Just actually ping the Grafana instance, right?
You would have to create a whole new job if you wanted to mix and match modules.
No, I don't want to mix and match. I mean, I can ping the website, the HTTP website, which is currently hosting Grafana on the VPN, can't I? Yeah?
Yep, that works. I did want you to add something that would query a specific path on the router.
Do we really want to mess with router stuff?
No, it's more so black box router is running on here, so I just want you to query it is kind of the thing.
Oh, what's the difference between this one without the spaces either side and this module
It
which
looks
has
for
the
a 200
spaces?
response. It looks for a 200 response. Actually, I don't think anything. No.
What's a 200 response, sorry?
Like, if you go to google.com, it's going to give you 200 response, but a redirect is like a 302.
I see. So if I replace all, okay, replaced all 20, and then I need
Probably
to
gonna mark
replace
it
the
as-
targets.
This is going to mark it as down, actually.
The what is?
This is going to mark it as down.
What is going to mark what as down?
If you do 1.1.1.1, it's going to redirect to one.one.one. So that's a 302 response.
So then I just need to type 1.1.1.1 then, right?
Yes.
So, okay, so if I change that to be... You see what I've done there? I've changed it to HTTP. Let me have a look at the example config. Have I fucked up? No. HTTP. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then I need to change 1.1.1.1 to be... does this work on HTTP? Like that?
It should work as it should work, yes.
You forgot the // Fuck, you're right.
Yeah.
Is it colon / or // colon?
://
And then what's 8.8.8.8? A 1.1.1.1 will do a 301 redirect to HTTPS. Don't do that.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So do I change it to HTTP? I have no idea what you're sending me right now. Just to be totally honest. Oh, fuck. What is this? I don't know what that is. Just do 1.1.1.1 for HTTPS. But we're not doing HTTPS. It's an empty 204. So it'll mark as up and low latency. Okay, so what do I need to change in this config right now? I've got this, which works, because that is the VPS running my Grafana instance. What do I need to change this 1.1.1.1 to? Do this. But does this work on HTTP? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, wait. But is this reliably hosted? Like, is that gonna have the same reliability as 1.1.1.1? Yes, it's Google. What? Oh, okay. So what do I then replace the Google ping with? Dude, what if I just ping the Play Hosting website? Because that's a Cloudflare page. It'll do HTTPS. Oh yeah, it has a cert. What do they use in their example? Oh. Who's my upstream ASN? Example.com works. Oh. Oh. I guess we can run that. Oh no, connection is secure. No, this is HTTPS. That's a redirect. So it will if you do via HTTP. Oh. Oh, yeah. What have you just said? It's Microsoft? We got more than we need now. True. Okay, who operates the example.com? Is that different from Google, but as reliable? Pinging? I don't know what that is. It's not Google, it's Akami and very reliable. Is bigger than Google and Cloud. Then that is perfect. Then that is all I care about. Okay. So now all of these should be replaced. If I now Control S this, then upload here. Cool, cool. Are you good, Burrito?
Yes, yeah, I'm talking to a couple of DDoS prop providers right now, seeing what they can do. Russ.
Well, okay, that's sick. I'll keep working on this then. You do your thing. Okay, now let's see if that has changed this at all. Oh, apparently not at all, actually. Apparently not at all. Apparently it just broke. Did it break everything? No, because this is still refreshing fine. You gotta change it? Oh, does anyone else have a different example dashboard I can import? Let me just delete that old one. What the fuck? Okay, well 10's cooking on something. No 10's cooking. Is that a dashboard? Alrighty, thank you very much. No, 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 no. Wrong button. Discard, discard, discard. New, import. Oh, nice. Import. Oh, data source Prometheus. Huh? Huh? What am I looking at here? Wait, these pings seem to be really high. These pings seem to be really freaking high. Oh, hello. Thank you for the raid. We're doing nerd shit right now. Muckers raid. Oh, hi Muckers. What's up? But it will work way better. Well, what do we want to... What are we even trying to track here? Like, because I've got some things which are taking like 7 ms, but then processing is taking like 150 ms. Like, I'm looking for... Adam sent us... Oh, awesome! Hi, Adam viewers, what's up? Am I looking for resolve? Is that accurate to latency or no? Or am I looking for connect? That'll track both uptime and latency. I would look at the top graph and you'll know when it spikes. But, like, these pings are not helpful for setting up alerts. You know what I mean? Like, this is taking 800 ms to resolve. If any one of our servers is having 800 ms to OVH, then we're going to have a serious problem. Like, even OVH here is 162 ms. That is already a serious problem. Change out example.com because it's out in Los Angeles. Oh. Okay. Let me do a refresh. Also, what's the scrape interval? Because it should be like 5 seconds, no? This seems to be a 15-second scrape interval. 1 second? How can it's only plotting data every 15, sorry. What are you guys doing? We're trying to set up effective tracking. The query might be the dashboard itself. Oh, auto? What if I just set it to auto then? No, it definitely isn't. Yeah, this isn't necessarily helpful because I can't alert myself if the ping goes higher than a certain threshold. Realistically, I should be alerting my phone if the ping goes above 30 ms. I feel.
You know, I have an idea for you.
What's up?
On the router, I can run Black Box Explorer, but I can notify for latency skyrocketing to the OVH box we're using.
And can we plot that?
Yes, you can.
Wait, but this is epic then. You're telling me this just solves all the fucking issues? So you're telling me none of all this black box shit, we didn't have to do any of this? Is that what you're telling me?
I was just letting you take the lead.
What do you mean? Ah!
In my defense, I did offer you this solution in the first place. It is a good learning experience. It's actually good to learn how to deal with Linux and everything, and indenting.
Right, right. What's the difference between node 1, node 4? But these are just all the same info. I'm getting vexed at this software. Fuck everything we just set up. I'm over it.
I'm gonna DM you something. We might have something for DDoS prot.
Okay, send me. Is that what I think it is?
What do you mean? It's Signal, yeah.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, I don't know anything about that provider, to be totally honest.
They're actually much better than a lot of the others.
Really?
Yes, and they also auto detect filters, among other things.
I mean, we were looking at, well, how much is it going to cost?
Let me ask.
I need to know how much it's going to cost. I need to know if we're paying per bandwidth. I need to know what their ping to us is.
Latency is, I actually just checked, it's 3 milliseconds.
3 milliseconds from the local IP or from OVH?
From the local IP.
No, that's not possible. That's not possible because we've got 5 ms to Cloudflare.
Or sorry, not 5 milliseconds. It's basically a direct hop.
Really?
Yeah.
Fighting the weight of your sins. Yeah. I forgot we had that. I'll take this as a yeah. I don't know if that's a yes yet. I don't have enough information.
Fair enough.
Sure. Make a Discord, GC. Welcome back, bro. Chat's just saying, I ask, still no message? No, what, from the ISP person? No, I'm afraid not.
I've got to jump.
Okay.
I will follow up with you later about a couple things, but it was good meeting you all, including
Okay.
the chat.
See you later, boss.
Adios.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Well, chatters. What are we up to now?
Okay. And last but not least.
Is this Cobblemon? Wait, Pebble Island got OP.
Oh yeah, we can see we can see what this guy looks like shiny. Maybe shiny will save him. Check it. Maybe it'll actually look better after shiny, because right now he's just like this weird, I don't know, it's just doesn't, it's just not coming together. Okay, here we go.
It's the big tournament day, I think.
It's somehow
That's crazy. That's crazy. No, I'm not human. What is this? Well, this looks scary. This looks scary AF. React Andy is so back, bro. Bro. Oh, my brain is fried and we achieved nothing. My brain is fried and we achieved nothing. Ow. Oh. Oh. Can we do more tubbling events, streamer? Yeah. If you fix that node that's been down, at least you achieve something. Yeah, and at least the database is connected to the new network now, isn't it? Or maybe it's fucking not, and I'm doomed. Are you fucking kidding me right now? 2 nodes are down? The database is down? Huh? What the fuck happened? Are you being... Okay, so now we actually have achieved nothing. Let's just try restart it. We actually did the opposite of achieve. At least it was working before you started. True. True. What the fuck happened there? Something tells me it's not coming back. When did it die? It died then. That's where it died. Why? 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 What happened? What happened? Well, that's not good. Right, so something's fucking lying to me. And now it's back online. Why is your IO weight so high? What the fuck? What the fuck happened to you, bro? Bruh, what the fuck happened to you? Okay. It broke as soon as I plugged it into the switch, and then fixed itself when I unplugged it from the switch. Whatever. Whatever. Actually, whatever. I don't know. And now it's back. Conflict? There is no conflict. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, this device should be that. Why am I able to ping with latency to this device? Wait a minute. So now I'm pinging via an unplugged interface. Okay. Cool. Cool. No, it makes perfect sense. No, it's cool. Is that not just itself? Yeah. So why is it not 0 ms? It won't ever be 0 ms. I see. Is right for loop back. Huh. Something funky's happening there. That's acting as it's going out of net, but it's pinging as the net itself. Yep. I see that. Let me do trace route -I from that interface. Okay, well that didn't work. Have you completely blocked out the sound of the servers? Nope, they get louder. Ugh, I'm over it. I'm actually over it. I've got so little shit done today. Fuck. Fuck. Try an MTR. MTRs are better, maybe. Fuck. Sometimes it be like that with tech. I know, bro. Well, now my shit isn't even loading. You tried. Like with the XDP, 90% of the time, it's like a toddler. Yeah. Holy mother of shared chat participants. How many chats is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Crazy. How come you don't colo a whole rack but still have the wait. How come you don't colo a whole rack but still have all the servers? What does that mean? It's expensive, bro. It's too expensive. Why don't you colo a rack while keeping all the servers? What do you mean? I don't remember the cost breakdown from the video, to be honest. Well, to colo, 142U rack is like 500 to 1,000 pounds per month before power and connectivity. So that would break the budget. That would explode the budget massively. How much power do you use? Most places you can get like 16 amps of 42U and 10 gigabit for like 1K. Yeah, well 1K is too much. 1K is too much, especially when we have 3 42U racks. So that would be 3K we don't need to spend. And to have them in the back room, it costs around... Surely your line alone is near that. If 3, then fair. Low. What do you mean? No, my lease line is like 350 a month. And my power is like 400 a month. This whole setup is like 700. $350 for 10 gigabit. DIA, I don't know what that means. But it's not 10 gigabit, it's 2 gigabit. Purple's getting into speedrunning. I think he's missed that. Oh no, maybe not. I thought he missed that. Practicing the 0, bro. DIA, dedicated internet access, as if we didn't need terms. Didn't need more terms in this industry. Fair. Oh, I'm just annoyed. I feel like I've achieved nothing. New mid-offs participant. Loki Jumper who was hitting those 0 cycles better. I only watched one though. But what you've learned what doesn't work. Have I? Have I learned what doesn't work? Have I? Kind of. Yes. Okay. We're free scrolling the timeline. Why are we free scrolling the timeline right now? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anything but free scroll the timeline on stream. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. Classic. Oh, classic indeed, bruh. I smell an ending. You smell an ending. Loki, I'm kind of hungry. Loki, I need food. I was going to wait until I got a text back from the internet guy, but I didn't. Why is chat on the wrong side? That is an excellent question. That is an excellent question. Chat does appear to be on the wrong side. Big brown box? Where? What are you even looking at? Boxes there? Oh, that's a projector and the headsets. The casting headsets. So, streamer, we saw you on Minecraft's TikTok today. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Me on Minecraft TikTok? I don't know anything about that. Anywhere else you might show up? No, I have no idea. I have no idea about that. It was AI, of course. Naturally. Naturally. Used 1 bajillion gallons of water to make that video. Real and true. So are you going to happen to not stream on September 27th? No, I'll be live September 27th. What food are you getting? I don't know. I do not know. Oh, that's why I picked up my phone. That's why I picked up my phone. What food? What food? What food? I should probably just go to Tesco's. Nothing there looks appealing. It all looks fast foody. Real and true. I'm not in a fast foody mood, you know. All right, fellas. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. Ah, it's been almost 4 hours and I have achieved nothing. That's great. Nope, that is just absolutely swell. Well, see you later, fellas. I just got home. Awkward. I'm sorry. Stream tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be back on Friday. I'll think of something fun to do. Okay. Bye.